Hey guys, it's Alicia here again. Now today I have a recipe for my mom's Christmas casserole that she used to make every year for Christmas morning breakfast. This is so easy to make, and it is an overnight recipe. You can make it the night before and just put it in the fridge overnight. So this casserole is so delicious. It is cheesy, it's rich, it's just one of my all-time favorites. And like I said, we had it for Christmas morning every year. So I like to make it myself now. So what you're gonna need to make this is, first of all, you're gonna need 12 eggs. Then you're gonna need 2 pounds of sausage, about 4 cups of sourdough bread, and you just want to rip it up into little pieces. 2 cups shredded cheese, 2 teaspoons of dry mustard, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And then finally, you're gonna need 4 cups of milk. Now I actually this time am using 4 cups of buttermilk because I had a whole bunch left over from the buttermilk pie we did. Never tried it with buttermilk before, but I thought, why not? So I'm gonna get crazy here and use buttermilk instead of regular milk, which is what you would normally use. And that is it. Okay, first thing you want to do is heat up a medium-sized pan, large-sized pan, and we're going to cook our sausage. You want this on medium-high heat. Okay, my sausage looks nice and done. It's got a little bit of browning going on it, and so I'm going to take this, drain the fat off of it, and set it aside while I work on my egg mixture. You're gonna wanna whip up your eggs a little bit, so I'm just gonna put mine in a mixer. Okay, now you're gonna add your milk, mustard and salt, and mix that. Okay, I've got that all mixed up, so now I'm going to fold in my cheese, my bread, and the sausage. And I'm just gonna fold all this together. Then you wanna get a 13 by 9 casserole dish, and you wanna grease it. I just put a little ham cooking spray in there. And then we're gonna just pour this right in. So now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna cover this, and you're gonna put it in the fridge for overnight. Okay, it is the next morning. I have got my oven preheated to 350, and I'm gonna put this in starting for about an hour. You just wanna cook this until it is firm. It has been an hour and this is done. You wanna kinda just give it a little shake to make sure that it is firm and set up in the middle, and this is. You want to let this sit for about 5 minutes before you cut into it. Okay, I'm going to cut into this. As you can see inside, this is so delicious. So rich. And like I said, I made this with buttermilk this time. Never done that before. So I'm gonna take a bite real quick and see what it tastes like with the buttermilk.
And will it be ooey gooey?
Oh, this is ooey gooey, all right. And that is really good with the buttermilk. Probably even better with the buttermilk.
Whose idea was it to put buttermilk in it?
My hubby's idea to put the buttermilk in it.
Okay.
So.
Good.
Definitely suggest buttermilk over milk, but the recipe does call for milk. Anyway, this is absolutely delicious. I highly recommend it. Perfect for anytime you have company and you just want to have something you can put in the oven real quick. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.